Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Now, our dog Toby was showing some weird behaviors. He was biting at his paws, rubbing his face, his ears seemed irritated, typical signs of seasonal allergies. So we decided to give these Mighty Petz allergy chews a try, and I have already seen a huge improvement in just the few weeks that we've been using them. We have approximately a 1 month supply with one of these bags, but that really does depend on your pet's weight. For Toby, he takes 3 chews once a day. They recommend having it along with food. The best part about these is that my dog loves them. I don't need to hide it in his food. I don't have to bribe him. It is honestly like getting the best treat. He will do any trick. He does tricks we don't even ask him to do. He just loves these. They have a bacon flavor. They're really nice and soft. So if you choose to give it just as a treat, it's the perfect size, or you can crumble it in their food, whatever works best for you. This works for both cats and dogs, all breeds, all sizes. It's the perfect universal allergy chew. I've found a huge reduction in all of the symptoms. He's not chewing on his paws anymore. He doesn't rub his face the way he used to. I really feel like this is working and doing exactly what it's supposed to. It's loaded with great ingredients. You can read all about it yourself, but I definitely think this is a great addition to your pet's health routine, and that's my point of view.